Virgen de los Remedios, Patrona de la Pampanga. In the early 1950s, after the Second World War, the Virgen de los Remedios became the central figure of the Kapampangan faith. Then Bishop of the newly established Diocese of San Fernando, the Most Reverend Cesar Maria Guerrero, has chosen the title Virgen de los Remedios when he founded the Cruzada de Caridad y Buena Voluntad as a reflection of the province's need of remedy brought by the emerging spread of communism and socialism. In 1954, the image of Santo Cristo del Perdón was commissioned to accompany the image of the Virgen de los Remedios to remind the Kapampangan faithful that devotion to Mary always leads to Jesus Christ. Since then, the crusade was retitled Cruzada de Penitencia y Caridad. On September 8, 1956, with the blessing of the Holy Father Pope Pius XII, the Virgen de los Remedios was canonically crowned, and this was presided by Papal Nuncio Archbishop Magnosi. The canonically crowned image of the Virgen de los Remedios is enshrined in her repository chapel in the Arzobispado de Pampanga, and her image is brought out once for the celebration of her coronation anniversary. The image of the Virgen de los Remedios in Tuding Kapaldanan, Tulan ng Kapampangan, is under the custody of the Cofradia ng Indong Virgen de los Remedios. This year's participation of the image of the Virgen de los Remedios is offered as a thanksgiving for the 75 years since the foundation of the Diocese of San Fernando, Pampanga, the land full of grace, protected and interceded by our Indu. Santo Cristo del Perdón, pakululuan mo kami. Virgen de los Remedios, ipanalangin mo kami.